This constant question that being asked that I get, like, what's your secret? What do you do?
Chouando will be
Eventually,
58 years old in a few months, while he looks like a 25-year-old boy. Let's accept that in a world where you go out looking like this at the age of 58 and see people your age looking like your dad, life must be very enjoyable for you. For years, humans have been willing to pay millions of dollars for the youth elixir, drink it, and regain the youth of their 20s. But these elixirs only exist in legends. Chouando didn't pay millions of dollars to drink the elixir of youth. And what he did was just follow the correct lifestyle. His secret of staying younger, as he describes it, depends 70% on the food he eats and 30% on exercise. In his early 20s, he started his fitness journey, lifting weights and following a certain kind of diet. And as he says, it's a lifestyle that stayed with him until today. He believes that the activities that you do during the day should be equal to the calories that you burn during that day, and the amount of food that you consume during the day is equal to the calories that you put in your body. He eats 6 hard-boiled eggs for breakfast with only 2 yolks due to cholesterol. Additionally, he drinks a glass of milk and sometimes adds avocado and berries to his breakfast. This is a good amount of protein and energy for the beginning of the day. His typical breakfast would consist of protein shakes or oatmeal with eggs, honey, and avocado, while lunch and dinner would typically be steamed or grilled chicken or fish in a broth with rice and a salad made of fresh greens. He avoids organs and processed foods, but added that he's not averse to eating fried stuff like tempura or desserts such as ice cream. This Singaporean photographer admits that ice cream is his weakness, but he eats it only in the first half of the day. He drinks plenty of water and avoids coffee, tea, and alcohol. About his workouts, Tan goes to the gym 5 times a week, or at least 3 times if he is too busy. He spends about 90 minutes per day on exercise, and at the gym he does strength training followed by cardio. However, due to a knee injury, he doesn't jog but walks at a fast pace on a treadmill. Moreover, he tries to swim every day for an hour. He also thinks that having a positive mindset is very important because what you think and feel will show on your face. Taking care of yourself by doing some meditation and admiring yourself without being worried about what others are going to say about you must become a daily routine and habit. As you can see, his key is simplicity. And maybe you can't believe that such a lifestyle can do something amazing with appearance. And this question comes to your mind: has he ever had plastic surgery? Well, he denies getting plastic surgery and using special cosmetics because he has sensitive skin. And his skincare routine is only gel face wash and moisturizing cream. Once he tried a Botox procedure but didn't like the effect, and he hasn't visited a cosmetologist since then. Maybe you're curious about how his hair didn't turn gray, but it has, and that's why he uses hair dye. About his sleeping routine, he tries not to go to bed after 11 p.m. and wakes up early every day. Tan believes that working at night and watching movies after midnight are bad for your health. And he says, if you want to sleep perfectly, try to not eat anything 5-6 hours before bed. Chouando says, trust me, going to bed early is worth it. Having had enough sleep, you'll be able to do more things during the day than if you work at night. About his career, he is a professional photographer that works with popular magazines. Also, he is a successful model and has established his own modeling agency. The key to staying young is simple. Do work that you love, have a healthy diet, get full-time sleep, exercise, and most importantly, keep a positive mindset. It's interesting because most celebrities like Jared Leto, Chris Evans, and Margot Robbie have almost the same lifestyle and look great. Personally, I prefer to die instead of living on a planet where I look like this at age 51, while there is a guy like Jared Leto who looks like this at the same age as me, or a guy like Chouando that looks 30 years younger than me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please tell us about the lifestyle you stick to in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.